Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're exploring the versatile Keter Storage Cabinet with doors and shelves, perfect for organizing your laundry room, garage, bathroom accessories, closet, and more. This cabinet boasts dimensions of 25.5 inches deep, 19.6 inches wide, and 72.6 inches high, offering ample space for all your storage needs. Made from durable resin, this cabinet is designed to withstand rust, rot, and moisture damage, ensuring long-lasting use. The lockable doors provide added security for your belongings, though you'll need to supply your own padlock. Inside, you'll find 5 sturdy shelves, each with a loading capacity of 55 pounds, making it ideal for storing a variety of items. Whether you're looking to tidy up your garage, organize your laundry room, or create extra storage in your basement, this cabinet is the perfect solution. Remember, the dimensions include the handles and feet, ensuring you get the most out of every inch of space. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.